We have our next caller coming in from Hyderabad, and Vidya is dialing for a stock query. Vidya, very good morning and thanks so much for joining in. What's your query?
Good morning, everybody. I hold 500 shares of IREDA, so at a price of 160. So currently I'm at a loss of 12,750. So should I add more or should I hold for some more time?
And Vidya, how long have you been holding this counter?
It's been more than 1.5 years.
1.5 years, got it. Astha, let me come to you. Vidya has been holding for the last 18 months. Would you give a view of holding on to IREDA at 160, or is it a good time to buy right now?
So, there were certain issues because there was some stress. If I talk about their, portfolio, and due to those stress which they have mentioned in the Q1 of FY26, we have seen performance was not very, very much strong. But there are certain positives to this company also. First of all, the AUM growth was steady. It was at around 31% CAGR, which the AUM growth the company has posted. Secondly, the kind of focus government is having on the renewable energy space definitely is providing a huge opportunity to the company. So I think it can be a slow runner, and it can show some sort of momentum, in the long term. So here, if the horizon is long term, then remain invested in this counter. It will definitely check your patience, but I believe in the long term, it will post good performance in the stock prices momentum wise. So just for the long term, hold this counter, and price target can be set somewhere at around 150 to 155 at the initial levels.
Okay, so that's regarding IREDA is what we are looking at. But moving on to the next caller, it's Sanjay now, who's calling to us from New Delhi. Hi Sanjay, how can we help you?
Yeah, morning, madam. And
morning.
Thank you very much for giving me an opportunity to speak to you. I am holding 200 shares of ICICI Bank at the rate of 1390. And I have a horizon for till I would be needing funds in the month of February.
Okay.
Currently, I am in losses. Kindly guide me.
So Sanjay, just want to understand, so you want to enter in another particular counter, that's why you want to switch in February, or is it for other reasons?
No, I have a horizon for 3 months holding.
Okay.
So I entered few days back at the rate of 1390 as it was giving a breakout of 1400 levels. So on this recommendation, I have bought it. I said, let's park my fund over here for coming 2 months.
Okay, got it. Let me take this with Swati then. Swati, what would your view be for ICICI Bank? Now, we've not seen much of a movement from when Sanjay has entered, but for next 3 months, are you constructive about this?
Yes, definitely. My view is bullish on this particular counter. No wonder the client has taken a position at elevated levels, but not so much as such. I believe it has a very strong potential to reach up to 1400. Beyond that level, 1450 levels can be really tested. Why I'm positive on this particular counter? Because on a larger degree, the setup is really positive. The counter is trading above all the important moving averages, trading in the pattern of the high tops, high bottom. Since the market is too volatile at the current levels in the current scenario, that's why we are witnessing some sort of a selling pressures on every resistance level. He has rightly pointed out that 1400 is the crucial resistance zone once it manages to give the breakout, but we need the breakout on the closing basis, not on the intraday tick as such. So whenever you're planning to take a long positions on the breakout levels, I'm really sorry. Just wait for a 1 day closing. If it's managed to give the positive closing about at resistance level, then the trend will be confirmed at those levels. So I will suggest to don't worry, wait for some more times. Definitely the counter is likely to hit 1400 to 1450 levels in the near term future. So you can hold on this particular stock. If you want to keep any kind of a stop losses, 1330 is acting as a very crucial support zone. So by keeping that as a stop loss, you can carry your long positions.